In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal entry in QuickBooks. Journal entries let you record transactions without using a standard form like an invoice or a bill. And there's one golden rule to remember as we go. Your total debits and total credits must be equal before you can save. Start by heading to the top left of your QuickBooks screen and clicking Create. In the menu that opens, look under the Others category and choose Create a Journal Entry. This takes you to the journal entry form, where we'll fill in a few key fields. At the top of the form, edit the date to reflect when the transaction should impact your books. Pick the correct accounting date so reports show this entry in the right period. Next, review the journal number. QuickBooks assigns a number automatically, but you can edit it if you follow a specific numbering system. Keeping your numbering consistent makes future research and audits much easier. Below, you'll see rows for your entry lines. Click into the Account column and select the first account you want to impact. Then move to the Debit or Credit column and enter the amount. Only use one column per line, either debit or credit, not both. Add a description to clarify the purpose of that line, and if it helps your reporting, use the name field to associate the line with a specific customer, vendor, or employee. Repeat this process on the next line with the offsetting account and amount. You can include additional lines if the transaction touches more than 2 accounts. As you work, keep an eye on the totals at the bottom. Your debits and credits must match exactly. If they don't, review your amounts or accounts until the totals balance. This balance check is essential. QuickBooks won't let you save an unbalanced entry. Under the line items, you'll find the memo field. Use this to add a clear, concise explanation of why you created the entry. Think of it as context for your future self or anyone else reviewing the books. Right below, there's an attachment section. Attach any supporting documents like statements, receipts, or internal approvals, so everything you need is stored with the entry. Once everything looks correct, the date, journal number, line items, descriptions, and attachments, go to the bottom right and click Save. That's it. Your journal entry is now recorded in QuickBooks, with debits and credits balanced and the right documentation in place.